Hey, if your JBL Clip 5 is actually blinking red while charging, so first of all, it's actually blinking red when the battery is like really low. So there's a chance that you will have to actually recharge your speaker for like 5 to 10 minutes. And after this, just check if this red is still blinking. But if it does, you can try to perform the hard reset by holding this button and this button together for around 3 or 4 seconds. Of course, you have to turn on your speaker. So you can use these two buttons combination when the speaker is turned on. And after this, you have to just turn on your speaker back, plug the charger back, or you can even do this when the speaker is charging, and you can tell me if it works. But if it doesn't work, I mean, you have to get used to it, but if it actually makes some kind of the problems or issue, you can try to use the warranty of this product. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.